So, have you ever driven to or from DC on Interstate 70? You see the Appalachian Trail goes over it. Wondered what it looks like? This is what it looks like. Let me tell you, cars are stinky. Stinky cars. So, a little bit on trail names. Sometimes people come to the trail and they already have their name picked out based on maybe what they did as a job. And sometimes names are thrust upon them for something stupid you did, like bear spray or boom boom, fuel canisters too close to the fire, or accidentally spraying yourself with bear spray. So on day 3, the hiker formerly known as Jill and the other hiker formerly known as Laura acquired their trail names. So here's our story. We both were in Harper's Ferry and started out together. And the first night at Ed Garvey, the hiker formerly known as Laura, her water filter kind of gave out and it wasn't working great. So I gave her mine. So I was in charge of water. Day 3, my stove dies. It'd been having issues with the connection and it wasn't working anymore. So now the hiker formerly known as Laura is in charge of fire. So on day 3, with me controlling water and she controlling fire, we became known as Katara and Zuko. And I think that's a great organic way that the trail name happened, and we both like it. So if you have a chance, go see the movie or the series Avatar: The Last Airbender, and you will see the characters, the waterbender Katara, me, and the firebender Zuko, who was Laura, and that is going to be our trail names.